Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am back on with 3 more challenge entries, and we're gonna find out who this first entry is from. I just took it out of the package and look how pretty it is. So look at her mini loaded bag. How super cute is that? I love the doily and the way you decorated the front. And this is the first pocket. It has some really pretty butterfly embellishments. Thank you so much for those. I appreciate it. Oh, here's the card. Let me open up the card. Let's see who it's from. Sorry about that. Okay. Oh, and look at her beautiful handmade card. It's gorgeous. I love that die. How pretty. Let me just read it really quickly. Oh, she's got a letter in here. It says, Erica, thank you for giving me inspiration to get creative again. I have been a doormat for many years and watching your YouTube channel did it. I hope you like my entry. It was a lot of fun to do. Congratulations on 11K subbies. You rock. And oh my gosh, I'm not sure how to say your name because I'm not really sure. Oh my gosh. Okay, hopefully it's on her memory decks card, but thank you so much. Yay, I'm so glad you were inspired. So let's take out her tags. Oh my goodness. Oh, and she sent me some twine. Thank you so much. Look at her, adorable. Oh my gosh, look at her tag. It says, a little oven from my oven, and she used a mitten. And it's so cute. She embossed it, and she used her dies, and she's got the 2 little mittens right there, a pretty rolling pin with the spatula, and they all coordinate together in color. It's gorgeous. What a cute idea. And it says, just for you. Super cute. Love this. How cute. It's a mitten, and oh, I can't wait to use that. Adorable. And then this one says, enjoy. Oh my gosh, that's so adorable. I cannot wait to use these tags. I am gonna have to do some serious baking, seriously. Oh my gosh, I love this little mini bag. It's so pretty. I love the paper. Cute. Okay, so let's look at her, oh, there's her memory decks card, but look at this super cute embellishment. It's a butterfly. How do you make that? It's so pretty, and it has an E. Oh, let me just put it back. There, perfect. Oh, that's so pretty. Thank you for that. And I'll put this with my wand collection. And then she's got a really pretty clip right here that she made. Thank you for that. So pretty. Pretty packaging. Let's take out her memory decks card. We're gonna see who this is from. Okay. It's from, okay, good. Oh, thank goodness. She has the way to say her name on here. It's Trini Hurtado. Oh, Trini Hurtado. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Okay, there's her name. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, sweetheart. I love your entry. And let's just look at her beautiful memory decks card. I love the dies that you use, and it says, cheers, here's to you, and you're amazing. Oh, it's so sweet. And I love the glitter. It's so pretty. And that paper is just gorgeous as well. Thank you so much. Cheers. Oh my goodness. And she is on Instagram. And I apologize, you guys, there. I will leave her link to her Instagram in the description box below so you guys can show her some love and, you know, see what she's creating. Thank you so much for participating. This was such an awesome entry. Yay! Thank you, thank you. All right, I'm going to share with you the next entry, and this is from Megan Weber, and this is how her package came. And let me just turn it around. Oh my goodness, let me just zoom out just a tad. Thank you so much, it's pretty packaging. Oh, she has washi tape in the ribbon. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, how cute. Thank you so much for the washi. And she's got some candy. And you know, these will get eaten, I promise you. My daughter and one of my twins loves this kind of candy, so don't you worry, it will get eaten. The chocolate that I had yesterday that somebody sent me, it was so delicious. It was, oh my gosh, it was so good. Okay, so here's her beautiful card. Let me just open it up. to Erica. This is from SassyShopper, who is Megan Weber. I hope you love everything. I am very excited. These are my very first cards, shaker, and tags as well as a mini loaded bag. Love your channel. I hope you will subscribe to my channel as well. Megan, oh, thank you so much. How awesome. We've got a first time of everything. So let's open up her package. Oh, she's got a really pretty seal right there. It says love. Really cute. Oh my goodness. Look how super cute. Look at this cupcake. It's a paper clip. How adorable is that? It's all sparkly. Oh, thank you so much. That's super cute. Okay, I'm just gonna put that off to the side and let's look at her bag. And she used a kind of like a party bag and decorated it. She's got a pretty doily with a pretty rosette. And then she's got her her mason jars with her kitchen utensils. Super pretty. And let's take out her tags. Oh, I think her bow fell off, but there it is. That's the first one, and look how pretty that one is. And it says wonderful, adorable. Thank you so much. And then she has this one, and it says sweet ideas. Oh, look at, and I love the cute paper and this pretty trim. Thank you. Oh, and then she's got a blingy too. That's adorable. Thank you so much. And then let's check out her memory decks card. Oh, look at it. It's a shaker. How super cute. And it's a unicorn themed. And she's got a fun mix of glitter and sequins in there. A cute unicorn and some fun stickers. And those pretty blingy hearts. Adorable. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Okay, let me just share her information. She's SassyShopper here on YouTube, and she's also on Instagram, so I will share her information in the description box below. Definitely show her some love. Thank you so much for participating, and I'll definitely check out your channel. All right, I have one more entry I'd like to share with you. Oh my goodness. I just realized she had a little goodie in here. She has this mason jar with some handmade tags and a cute clip. And some little note. Oh, that's super sweet. Thank you for that extra goodie. I truly appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Okay, I'm not done with this one. You guys, look at the back of her bag. I just realized that there was a back and there was more goodies. It says just for you, and she's got a little stamp, a little sticker right there. How cute. I'm so sorry. I didn't realize there was more. And she sent all of these different little embellishments for me to use. Thank you so much. I can use these on spring projects. And I'm gonna stick that back in. Okay, I think that was everything. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. I really loved your entry, and the extra goodies are so appreciated. Okay, all right, let me move that one off to the side. This next one, you guys, is really heavy. I don't know what she sent, but this is from Divian Sanchez. Hi, Divian. Thank you so much, sweetheart, for participating. Let me just share with you this box of goodies. Oh my gosh, she sent me a whole box, you guys. So I'm just gonna start taking things out and I'll share as we go. But this is what's on top of her box. And this is her beautiful mini loaded bag, and it's purple, so sweet. And she used these stickers, these dimensional stickers. I think those are from Dollar Tree. Oh, thank you, that's pretty. And let's look at her tags. So this is the first one. It says fresh baked. How pretty is that? I love the blingy bow. And she's got her flour and sugar. Oh, thank you so much. I love that tag. Super cute. I don't have that tag die. I'm just saying. Super cute. And then look at this one. It says baked with love from Erica's Kitchen. Oh my gosh. Look at that little cute bear. How adorable. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. And then I can do to and from on the back. That's so super cute. Love it. And then look at this one from My Kitchen to Yours, Erica. Oh, and look at that little bear. How super adorable is that, you guys? Ah, love. Okay, and then here is her memory decks card. It's really pretty, and it says hello. Oh, let's see, let's look at the back. I'm gonna cover her address. Okay, so there's her information, Divian Sanchez, and she's on Instagram, and I will link her Instagram feed in the description box below, so you guys can go see what she's creating and show her some love, and leave her a comment and tell her what you think of what she created today. Oh my gosh, thank you, thank you. I love that. And then she's got some more goodies in here, you guys. So she gave me another tag so I can create another tag with that super cute image. Love it. And oh, she sent me some baking stickers, yay! And then this super cute apron. Oh my gosh, love it. I'm gonna be decorating a recipe album, so I'll be able to use some of this stuff for that. Okay, so she sent me some more of these cute images. It says Erica's Treats from Erica's Kitchen. Or Sweet Treats from Erica's Kitchen. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. Happy Easter! And then these are some more of the Baked with Love from Erica's Kitchen in different shapes. Oh my gosh, that's so sweet of you. Oh, I'm gonna have to find out where you got these little images. They're adorable. Oh my gosh, I love that. Thank you, thank you. She sent me so many. That is so super sweet. Oh my gosh, thank you, thank you. Okay, let's keep going, you guys. She's got a lot of goodies in this box. I don't know what else she sent, but oh, we're gonna find out. Oh my gosh. So she sent me this book. Let me just move this off to the side. It says Twinkle Twinkle, Scrapdivatwentynine's Crafty Ideas. Oh my gosh, let me just zoom out just a tad so we can see this really pretty book. Oh my goodness. So she made me a notebook. Oh, and look at this paper. And the rolling pins. Oh, that's super sweet. Thank you for that. So I can make a project with that. Oh my gosh, how nice. And it's purple, and it's just a notebook that she's altered. I love it. Thank you so much, sweetheart. That is absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh, yay. Okay, that's exciting. And then, oh my goodness, she sent me an embellishment box, Scrapdiva29's embellishments. And they're all like purple. Oh my God. This is so thoughtful. Let me just open it up. Oh my goodness. Look at all of the yummy goodies that are inside of here. She's got washi and glitter, sequins. All this fun sequins and beads, and oh my gosh, this is so nice. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for all of these goodies. There's charms in here, you guys. There's paper clips, buttons, and different types of embellishments. Oh my gosh, even some tags. And then all of these baking embellishments. Let's just look at a few. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. These are adorable. Oh my gosh. Did you use your like scan and cut to cut these images out, or your silhouette? You're gonna have to tell me. That is so super cute. Okay, I cannot wait to play with that. That's adorable. Oh my goodness, how cute. That is the sweetest thing ever. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, yay. And there's more, you guys. She sent me all these goodies. You're so super sweet. She sent me some of the glue from Dollar Tree, which is really good glue, by the way. And she sent me a tape runner. Oh my gosh. And then she sent me some stamps with all these different images. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. So super sweet. Some cupcake liners. Oh my gosh. She sent me some score tape. I'm going to be set on adhesive, you guys. Oh, and she even sent me some really pretty socks. Oh, those are pretty. We'll definitely wear those. Thank you so much. And then it says, Happy Easter, Erica. And look at that adorable bunny. How did you do that? How did you get that on the bag? That's so pretty. Thank you so much. Yay. Oh my gosh, what's in here? Let's open it up and see. This is such a cute bag. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so sweet. Okay, I'm trying to open it up. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what's Look at all this chocolate. Oh, yay. Thank you so much for the chocolate. You guys, the chocolate that I have, it's gone. I have to start a new stash. So thank you. And she has several pieces of chocolate in here, you guys. Let me just show more chocolate. She's got a cute pin. It says, hold it together. Super cute. I'm going to put that with my beautiful notebook that you made me. And then, oh my gosh, look how super cute. These cookie cutters. I don't have these, and I love the size of these cookie cutters. This is a perfect size for me to mail out cookies. So, oh my gosh, thank you so much for blessing me with a set of Easter sugar cookie cutters. Yay! Oh my goodness. And then there's, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm just now getting to her letter, but I will read it off camera. And, but Divian, I just want to say thank you so much. Heart you, big, big hugs to everyone that has sent in an entry today. I truly appreciate it. You guys, please leave them a comment. Oh my gosh, tell these ladies what you think. Check out their Instagram, their YouTube, show them some love. Please, please, please. There's so many creative ladies out here that you can draw inspiration from. Okay, so I will be back. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys soon. Bye for now.